Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. This is more like a saga. Alright, can you dig it? Alright guys, this is part 4, 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan. Took apart the thing, we saw this engine was fried. The thing was messed up. So, guys, this is an update that you do not expect. Alright, so when we come back, Civi's gonna explain to you what's going on so far. Alright? Coming up on Astro Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Alright, so after we did the last video and we saw what was going on and knew what she needed, I emailed her a link so she can see what's going on in the video, and I also emailed her a price quote on what she needed. She wanted to get the engine. She said she knew some people and she could get a used engine at a reasonable price, she said. So that's what she was going to do. So I said, no problem, you know, just let me know what's going on and let me know when they're going to bring the engine, because, you know, we're mobile, so we may not be here. No problem.
Now, this was right after we did
right
after
the
part
day
3.
after, I think it was.
Okay.
So that was what, middle of December?
Yeah, something
like that. So then she emails, we didn't hear from her for a few days. So I emailed her back and, you know, I asked her again, please let me know when they're going to come with the engine, so I make sure that Timmy's here, because she was known that even though I told her, let me know before you come, she would just stop by, and most of the times we weren't even here. So she emails me back and she said that she's looking for the engine. She's looking into different people and different prices. Now that's different than what she told me originally, and that she'll definitely let us know. She actually said let the man in charge know that what I'm not in charge.
Yeah, but
we ain't going there. But let the man in charge know that he'll be the first to know when I'll have the engine over there. So then she kept going, rambling on about something, and this is all in the email. And then she said, but definitely by the 27th. This was middle of December, so it was going to be about 2 weeks wait. So Timmy and I discussed it, and we're like, okay, now that just seems like a long time to have the car here waiting. So I emailed her back and I said she can take as long as she wants to get that engine, but she would have to come and get the van, and then when she was ready, she can have it towed back. So didn't hear back from her after that. So we decided to give her the extra time to the 27th, but now we're on January 4th. Still haven't heard a word from her. So that's where we're at right now.
Alright guys, so there you go. You got the update. Today is January 4th. So, what are we going to do? Guys, and it's kind of upsetting because you guys saw what we went through. We saw the receipts. We saw they was getting ripped off, and we stepped up and we wanted to do the right thing. Definitely wanted to do that. You saw that on video. You saw that. We showed you the receipts and everything. But now, sometimes people take kindness for weakness. So, this is what we're going to do. Right now, you remember we started the party line. I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, we got the back hatch up in the air. They can see that?
Yes.
Yeah, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you the party line. What we do is taking the stuff from the party line, putting it in the back of the van. We're giving Oakley. Oakley is who? Give him a shout out. Oakley Towing, having them come pick it up. We're paying for this. Have it towed over there just to drop it off. At this point, we washed our hands. I don't even want to do the job no more. Just can't do the job no more after that. So, we'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the rest of the stuff. I put some stuff in there already. So, and y'all remember these heads was cracked and all this thing is definitely. So we're going to get all this. And I'm not throwing them in the car. I'm putting them in there nicely in the back. So once we get all this back there, we'll be right back. Alright guys, you can see what I did. They had the spare tire Well, I don't even want to call that a spare. It might have been on the vehicle. I put that in the front seat. Well, back seat. And as you can see, I stocked the stuff up, stacked it up right there, nice and neat. And also, what I want to show, let's close this down. Let's go over here to the passenger side. Well, you can go to the passenger side. Yeah. So I'll
Where? What?
All right, because guys, what I did, I noticed there was some tools in here, and I want to videotape the stuff that's in here. Okay, let's go to the other side. So nobody can say, you know, this was there, I had this in the car, or whatever like that. All right, so you can get in there and look in the.
I'm not being in there.
All right, guys, you see, I see a jumper back there. That's still in there and all. You know, just take a look at the stuff that's around and over here. And let me look inside here for a minute. And that's right here. I noticed there was some tools here. And you got this stuff right here. That's just a videotape to let you know. Matter of fact, let's look inside here. Well, there's just paperwork in there, but it's all good. All right, so I just want to let y'all guys know how it looked. Everything in there. We didn't touch anything. All right, guys. Next thing we're gonna do is hook this up and pull it out. First thing we're gonna do is give Oakley a call, and we're definitely gonna videotape Oakley picking it up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, kind of late here. There it is. Good, I know. Hey, matter of fact, you record, because the sound will come out good when I'm in the back of it. All right, here we go, guys. Oakley's going to pick it up. They're going to drop it off at the customer's house. So this is definitely leaving. Yeah, buddy. Oakley towing. Yeah, buddy. So we're not going to bore you guys with all the hooking it up. So what we're going to do is, once we get it up on the truck and about to leave, that's when we're going to record that part. All right? We'll be right back. All right, guys. We got it hooked up. And away it goes. Where's it going? Ah! All right, the guy stopped and he was like, "Where's it going? I hope we don't drop it off at the neighbor's house. That would suck." But it's out of here. All right, that is done. All right, guys, we'll be right back.
All right, so this is the end of part 4 for that 2003 Dodge Grand Caravan, and you guys saw what happened and got all the details. If there's an update on it, we'll definitely let you guys know. But if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. We can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.